All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at MakerSuite. I had at least 3 of you comment in my latest YouTube videos to make sure to do a MakerSuite review. Now I will be doing the other ones that won as well. Let me go ahead and check those ones out real quick where we're at. So if I go to LearnWire and we go to the channel, welcome back to LearnWire, and we go over to the community tab. I'm just going to click on one so we can see. So happier leads is what you guys want to see, and then followed by alt text as well. And then these other 3, we'll see if we end up doing those as well. But what I've been doing is picking out 5 that I think that you guys will like. And when I did this, I didn't see MakerSuite on there. Of course, that one would have been really big. I think that I'm calling at least the top 5 pretty well because Jupyter ended up getting like over 100 reviews in a very short amount of time. So this one was a big winner on AppSumo. You definitely want to go check out the Jupyter review. And what I've heard is that they will be adding in the content word, the removal of filler words and word gaps. So that's really cool. This one would end up being a really good Descript alternative. So right over here, just looking at the latest poll, happier leads will come out. I'll do that this week. And then followed by alt text, I'll try to get one of those ones out because since these percentages are so close, I'll go ahead and do both those reviews. I'm not sure about these other ones if I'll end up doing those or not. Okay. MakerSuite, I'm moving up in the ranks even before doing happier leads because I know this is the content you guys want. Multiple comments, and then I go and look at this. I do full-time YouTube, and right now I'm currently paying $50 a month for 1 of 10, where you can go and look at viral video ideas and so forth. This is a really cool tool that I have not done a review on, but I will do a review on this as well. I can leave a link below. You can go check it out as well. But this one's really cool because it will tell you the virality of a YouTube video in comparison with the amount of subs that they have. So like in this case, this guy only has 8,000 subscribers and he got 32,000 views. So his video performed 10 times better than expected. And so it's able to find topics that are just going viral for the actual video, for the channel and the subscriber count itself. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. And that is why I brought that up to your attention, because MakerSuite right over here is going to be a similar tool like that, where we can go and do researching a topic and seeing what the trend is like, if it's a viral topic, and give us suggestions, and we can do real good topic research for YouTube. We can also analyze videos and so forth. And then we can actually write scripts in there as well. And then you can write scripts from scratch as well. But most people picking up this tool are probably not going to be writing scripts from scratch. They're probably going to use the AI writer. So I went ahead, and this is one of those tools that if I get excited about it, right off the bat, I'll go and actually purchase it. So I purchased the tier 1 right off the bat so I can get this review for you guys. And then if this ends up being a really cool tool like Taja, that was another really great one that I picked up. I went all in on that tool. That was a YouTube tool. That one doesn't create YouTube scripts or anything like that. So there is a need or a reason why you would get MakerSuite and Taja. So hopefully that all makes sense. I'm going to go and jump right into the reviews real quick. And because one just came in just now, while I was looking at this about 45 minutes ago, this one just came in right here. So it makes script writing much easier. So it makes writing scripts for videos much easier and faster, but you will have to read through and double check the script for accuracy, especially if your content uses a lot of research and scientific studies like all AI tools. Overall, I like it and I will use it as part of my process for creating content quickly and efficiently. Cool. There's just some really good reviews going on and people saying what they like. This one, MakerSuite, you can see how this could go along really good with Jupyter. You could use MakerSuite to do all your research for your topic. You can also write your script, and then you could go into Jupyter and literally use B-roll to create your video. So that's a really unique workflow and tool set that I like that person to put together. So super cool stuff. I'm going to go over here from the founders real quick. Looks like they have a roadmap and they've got just all kinds of good stuff right over here. Chrome extension, blog, YouTube tutorials. Let's go ahead and open that one up and just see what their videos look like, how to write your content extremely fast using AI. So it looks like they have 4 videos with some tutorials for you, and they're going to be adding to that. Or actually they have 59 videos on their channel, but it looks like they removed everything else and they only have 4 videos to the public right here. Maybe those are videos that are unlisted and maybe they are inside. We'll take a look when we log in. And then they have all their social accounts, G2 review. Let's go see what's going on over there. They have a review, 5 stars. So that stuff doesn't mean anything to me when it's only 1 star. That could be a family member or something of the creators and so forth. Captura review, nothing there. But we can go and have a quick look at the roadmap real quick, product roadmap. And I can just give you a fair warning. This is probably going to be a long video, probably a 30-minute video, just so you want to get some popcorn and a drink, because there's just no way this is going to be a 10-minute video. We have Plan, Storyboard Maker, multi-use access. So that's great for team members. You can get your VA to create all these, use the tool to do all your research and do all your script writing. And then maybe you're the person that records the voiceovers, or you're the person that does the video editing or whatever, right? You could actually use this and have those people on your team too. And you can have a whole staff working on videos for you. Watch time retention analytics, improved video title and description generator. This is something that's needed. Some of the comments said that it's not as good at title generation, but that's okay. That's why we have Taja. That's why we have vidIQ, TubeBuddy. There's a lot of tools that, and even ChatGPT can create some really good YouTube titles for you once you know what you're writing about. Fact checker. I don't know how they're going to work on that, but apparently they're going to be building in a fact checker with the AI. That's super cool. Smart tag generator, and then video ideation assistant. That's alive. A tag generator, teleprompter app. I don't even know what that is. That's super cool. Script word count. That's great that they added that in there. When you launch a product and you don't even have the word count, right? Like people know that they have to hit a certain word count in order for the voiceover to be 8 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever they're shooting for. So I'm glad that to see that they already have that in there. Dark mode and so forth. So they have got a nice roadmap and they are tackling tasks. Super cool. And just overall, the feeling that I'm getting as a reading through the reviews and how they reply back. They're always here replying to everybody's. You can go in here. This is the sign of somebody that didn't just go throw up their software on AppSumo and then just forget about it and then just hoping to get as many sales as they can, and they don't really care about you. Looking in here, seeing that they're responding to every single person, that most of these software people don't even they don't even reply to reviews. You want to reply to people that just reviewed your software and complimented you. You want to reply, and that is what MakerSuite is doing. We'll go over here to questions and look as well. We've got replies. They are all over this. Look at this, guys. They're all over this. I like this. And it's sad to say, but this is not the normal case. To get a reply from the developer on every single question is not normal. So really looking good there. Let's go. And you can see I have this redemption right here. I did buy the product already. I'm going to go and finish setting up my account, and we will be right back. Okay, so I am logged in. That was very fast. They literally have a one-click sign up, so you don't have to copy and paste your code and do all this stuff. They literally just have you verify your email address that you want to set your account up with, and then it takes you automatically here and it sets your account up. It's really cool. Before we do that, I want to go over and just look at the MakerSuite website. I haven't done this because apparently I run out of the amount of times I can use SimilarWeb per month. This looks like it has 59,000 visitors, and back in November, before they were even launched, it's saying they have 44,000 visitors. So this is an established company that has already gone out and done marketing on their own. I like to see that. I don't know why, but I like to see when somebody is not just relying on AppSumo for everything. So here we go. And they have all the products over here and so forth. Really just looking at their website. It's nicely laid out and so forth. I'm going to go over to pricing though. And this is what you would pay every day if you come to their site. And this is actually what they are actually charging for as a business. You can go free for 3 scripts, $9.99 for up to 15. So this is like the first level or tier 1 level that I purchased just now. And then you can see that this is the pro level for $20 a month. And then $80 a month will get you the unlimited everything. And that's where we come over here to pricing. Let's go over here and look at the pricing right over here. You can pause the video and look at all those. I'm not going to read off all the features included in the plan and so forth. You get a lot. We have license tier 1. You get 15 scripts per month, 15 explorations per month, and 30 descriptions per month. And then unlimited AI generated words. So that's crazy. They're giving the unlimited AI generated words. In some respects, I feel like that alludes to the fact that they're probably using ChatGPT 3.5 OpenAI because it's not going to cost any money. There's no way that they'd be able to give away unlimited if it was GPT-4, right? So we all already know that by this time. So that's just something to be aware of. But we'll see how well the script, you can get really good stuff out of 3.5 if your proprietary software built on top of it is really good. I did read some of the questions already, and they do say that they do have real live web scraping in their AI content. So you can ask it latest news type stuff or something like that, or technical stuff, and it should be able to perform for that. Again, we'll see what this can do for us when we test our first script. License tier 2, $129. You'll be able to do 100 scripts per month. I'm not going to read off the rest. License tier 3, unlimited scripts per month, 250 explorations per month. And the explorations is basically like keyword research in a sense. Unlimited scripts, that's nuts. You could build an agency using this. Unlimited descriptions and unlimited AI words. Pretty generous, and the pricing for an all-in right there at $259. I think the pricing is set pretty good. It says it right here, guys. I'm reading it. Their AI model, OpenAI GPT-4. I don't know how they're able to offer unlimited AI and use GPT-4. I really just don't get that. If you guys have any ideas how they're doing that, leave a comment below. I appreciate it. All right, so let's go jump in and check this software out. So we're over here. And like I said, just to give you an idea of what a software like this does cost, and I'm paying $50 a month for right now. I'm paying oneof10.com. It's a new tool. I'll do a review for you guys as well. But this is $50 a month to find out what's trending on YouTube. So this is something that essentially could, I know a lot of you don't like paying monthly, especially for a $50 tool per month. This would be a kind of an alternative to a tool like One of 10. Okay, so let's go in and let's go generate video ideas. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go to start exploration. We do have a menu on the side. Your plan is AppSumo Tier 1. They literally have a taco right there. That's cool. We have our help button. We have our notification center. We have our log out and your profile and billing and so forth. It looks like we're getting a little message over here. Philip over here. Welcome to MakersSuite. Take a look around. I'm going to go ahead and push clear. But let's go and click on the help button and just see what happens. They do have a message center and a place that we can go out. Looks like 4 minutes ago, we might have just gotten greeted. Not sure if that's a bot or what, but it does look like they have a chat bot or chat set up. All right, so we're going to come over here. You do have projects. I'm not seeing, let's see. Please complete your profile to start using. So I'm going to go and do that real quick. Complete. It does ask me right here to put in my channel. So I'm going to go and grab one of my channels that I'm going to do some research for. So AI content creation, and that is so cool. I'm starting to rank for AI content creation. This keyword right here is so competitive that my channel was not showing up. My channel was not showing up in the search results, and I had to go up to filter and go channel to find my channel, but now it's ranking at the top. So that's pretty cool. We just released a video as well just now. I've got hired a video editor and doing some really cool stuff. I think that this is a channel that can actually grow. It's a very new channel. Some of you are already subscribed to it, and you'll be able to see that this video right here, I put this one out and it got over 400 views. And this, I did not do advertising or anything like that on it. So it did actually perform really well. But I'm going to go over here and look and just go to home. All right, welcome back. And let's see, featured. I think I just need to grab that right there. We're going to go back over to and add this in right there. That's the channel and save details. So there's one of my channels. Cool. And I'm going to say start exploration. And let's just go over here. I'm going to say make money with AI. It's a really popular topic right now. And that's what my other channel is about. So exploration in progress. So we'll let you know as soon as the exploration is ready via app notifications. In the meantime, enjoy using all of our awesome features. So we can go back to home. I'm just going to sit here, chill, and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. As I was fixing to just push unpause and then we were going to go and analyze a video, it finished. So it literally took 2 minutes. I timed it. It was 9:55 and now it's 9:57. So it took 2 minutes. It found 22 topics for us, videos, 360. So topics are going to be subtopics within Make Money with AI. It's going to be really cool looking at this as a chart line graph type view where you have all kinds of subtopics connected to this parent topic here. And then you have a bunch of videos and channels right here that we can go look at. So let's go and click on the view report and see what's going on with this. So here's what it is going to look like. So it's going to give us, it looks like top 5 video ideas right off the bat. We can go with global. We can go with make money online strategies, how to make money on Fiverr. So it's going to break down all these different topics inside. So are these the topics that it said 22? Let's count 1, 2, 3. Yep, there's 22 topics right here. So that drop down is going to be the subtopics that it came up with. We can regenerate ideas right here as well. And then here is what it's telling us that it's recommending: unleashing the AI gold mine, strategies for wealth creation, entrepreneurs and business owners in the tech and finance industries who are looking to leverage artificial intelligence to generate. So this is going to be a very broad kind of topic. We have exploring the lucrative world of AI, art, and business. So this one would be maybe a little bit more towards like making AI art and selling it on Etsy type things, revolutionizing video creation. And right away, like we'd have to test it out, right? I'd have to actually go and publish these exact topics. I'm not really sure, like out of all these ones right here, revolutionizing YouTube content with AI, I'm thinking that this top 5 Fiverr hacks for maximizing your earnings in 2022, like where is it pulling that from, right? We're in 2024. It shouldn't say 2022, but I do think that out of all these ones, this is a listicle type post or video topic. I think that this one would probably perform the best if I had to make a guess, but this is what we have to start off with. We can go in here and let's just say we want to create a project or we want to copy to clipboard. We can do that. Let's come down here and look, research overview. There's 363 videos recommended by YouTube for that. Number of relevant topics, 22, number of channels across, and total views across the analyze. We know that there's 81 million total views across analyzed videos. So these 363 videos that pull up for what we researched brought in 81 million. So this would be a way to look at if there's a market for your keyword or not. Obviously 81 million there is. Found topics for your exploration. So this was the part that I felt was really like a cool way to look at your topic. So if we have make money online strategies, this is the big topic. And then we can start going in here and starting to look like creating and monetizing lo-fi channels with AI. So these are videos that popped off. I believe that these are videos. We have a relevance of 60%, a quality score of 42, total views, 642K, average comments, average likes. So the bigger the dot, the more like we still have a 60% relevance, but the bigger the dot, it looks like it total views is 2 million and the total views over here is 642. So obviously the bigger the dot, the larger the audience, the more views that it's getting. So this is a cool way to look at this AI art and AI business. Apparently that gets a ton of views. And then you have some crossovers right over here. So how to make money on Fiverr and then AI video creation right over here. So it's a cool way to look at it. So these are all those topics that it found. If we went over here and just looked at the topics, let's say we go AI video creation, it's going to now, okay, so that drop down is now going to suggest 5 more videos for us for just AI video creation, unleashing the power. So you can see how we started with making money with AI, but now what the tool's doing for us is that it's shrinking down the topics, giving us sub niches or subtopics inside of that, so that we can really start providing content for a specific audience, because the topic itself, it might be too big. So we can come in here, right over here, unleashing, but it has a lot of there's some type of algorithm that it's building these videos based on like unleashing, revolutionize. You can see that came from AI, that came from ChatGPT, because I've created these type of titles myself using ChatGPT. AI magic, that one those all seem to get spit out. So I really probably wouldn't use the titles over here, just knowing what I know about YouTube. But certainly what we would do is, and I don't know what creating a project, we will create a project together, but this is where I'd come in here and just try to find something that makes sense, right? And if you click on that, financial markets and cryptocurrency, it's going to tell you what your quality score is, it's your engagement level, your volume, common tags. It really is giving you a lot, videos within the topic. So now it's going to give you all these popular videos right here, their performance. And so you have a performance score. I believe the higher the performance score, the better. You have 8K views. And I don't really know what that means because this one obviously had more views, but a little bit less score. But that might be because this was a massive channel. And so in relation to the channel, it also has a score, right? Because you can come in here and look at this 21,000 right here, but it's a NBC television or Yahoo Finance and so forth. So it looks, if you could click on this, let's see, let's just go to this first one up here and click on the view details. It's going to pull up specifically. So you can really see how you can go down a rabbit hole and go all the way into this and see how many views the video got, how many subscribers, comments, and all that. The performance score, let's see what that actually says. It says right here, the performance score shows how well a video has performed after adjusting for the number of subscribers, time the video has been online, and reach of the channel. So I don't really know what that means after adjusting for the number of subscribers. So it is going to say, just based on the number of subscribers, how many views it got, and it's going to give it a performance score. So if this would have gotten 200,000 views and they only had 160,000, then this performance score would be way up here is what I'm imagining. So they have their own algorithm, and you can tell they list it right here. It's based on at least 3 major factors. We have what their description is. We have related videos. So this is definitely a great research tool that's going to give you more insights and more information than just using YouTube. And then advanced insights, let's see what that says. And that's actually cool. You can see when it was published. So this was literally published yesterday. And you can see what genre it's in, coin clips, and they were able to get 37,000 views in one day. So that's pretty cool. The advanced insights is taking, a little bit longer. You don't just click on it and it's done. We'll be back. Okay, so here's what the advanced insights look like. We have our common words right over here. These would be great to put in to either even create a title off of, or at least to put in your tag section. You have your outline. Now you could take this entire outline right here. They even have a nice copy button. I like that. And you could go and build scripts around just the outline. So this is really cool. It's giving you the full transcript. You can copy that, a summary and text right there, a very short summary, a long outline or summary here. You could use this for blog posts and so forth, all kinds of good stuff. And then it gives you the sentiment, negative, neutral, positives. This is a very robust tool. They have a lot of features, and we're barely tipping the surface is what it looks like of what we can actually do with this software. So that's what it looks like. Let's go and create for fun, let's just say let's do this one, AI magic, transforming the text into stunning animated videos. And let's just say create project. And this is where it seems if you create the project from there, that it's going to take us along this journey now to go ahead and write our script for us. So let's just go ahead and do this. Video title. I'm going to just use what it's telling us is good, but so far I'm impressed with the software, but I will say that I don't really like the titles as much. And that's where 1 of 10 is really good, because we could come in here and transforming text into stunning animated videos. So then what we would do is we'd come over here and we would say, I would do some research and find a video that popped off and went viral. And that's what I would probably put in right over here. So that's what I'm going to do, because I have multiple tools and I'm going to see how good this actually can write for us. So I want to come over here and find something that's kind of a listicle type, like right over here, 8 AI robots that will make you money. So I want to go and see what we can do is we can say find similars, which is super cool about this software. But now we can go over here, 8 crazy affiliate robots to increase your earnings. And I want to go for something that seems to be a shorter video, 5 AI robots that will make you 1,000 per day. For fun, let's just do this one. So I'm going to go ahead and you have to click it. It's going to open.
What's going on, guys? Welcome.
I'm going to pause real quick, and then I'm going to go and grab this exact title. And then what I'm going to do is just see what MakerSuite comes up with. So I'm actually going to go like this and go boom. That's my title. Tone is smart, exciting, funny, serious, informational, sophisticated. It's natively on Smart, so let's just go with that. I also would maybe lean towards exciting to make it engaging and so forth, but let's go with Smart. We do have a target length, super cool. Let's just go with the 7-minute mark. I think that would be really cool. Project goal, lead generation. You can do that if you're trying to build an email list. I'm just going to say, I guess they have some options. Is that a drop down? We click right there. Nope. Lead generation or just clicks, project goal. Okay. Oh, I guess they do have some preloaded. Growing an audience. That's really all I'm doing is just trying to grow an audience. Just a little interface issue here. It doesn't seem like you can type in what you want, but they don't also have a drop down. So they should have a drop down right here with the options in there. Content type, it's going to be video. It looks like you can create this for blogs as well. Super cool. And the creator right over here, not really sure what we need to put in right there. I'm going to leave that. Target audience, well, the creator, I think this is our audience. A YouTuber reviewing various cameras, mostly in the budget hobbyist price range. This is just something like that. I don't know. I'm just following suit. Target audience, marketers and content creators who are interested in using AI technology to transform written content. And yeah, that looks great. Or marketers and creators who are interested in using AI technology to make money online. That's really what it is. And you can see we have AI, make money online, all that. That's the niche. We can generate our outline, or I'll write the outline myself. I'm going to say generate the outline, and here we go. Okay, we're back. That literally took 30 seconds. It was very fast. A little scary how fast it was, to be honest. So we have our brief. You can click over here on script, and we haven't written the script. Publishing ideas. Okay, so we'll go back to the brief. Producing a video in English, 5 AI robots making 1,000 a day with a target length of 980 words. Pursuing growing an audience, blah, blah, blah. So that's like your main kind of brief or prompt. Our outline, we have introduction, introduce the topic of AI robots, highlight the increasing popularity of AI technology, mention that this blog will, see right there, that's already an issue. I said I wanted a video and it's saying mention that this blog, so that's not good, right? So let me say video, and that's why you want to read through this. Mention that this video will showcase 5 popular AI robots that have proven capabilities to help individuals earn over 1,000 a day. We can write the script from here. We can regenerate the outline. I'm going to keep just going through here real quick. The generated photos, explain how. So we have writer.me, discuss why, or discuss high quality content is essential for successful marketing efforts. So these ones, it's really not that good. In video, we would probably leave that one. Writer.me, Play.ht, that one might be good. Generated photos. Okay, perfect. So I didn't provide the URL to the video. So I want to say some really good things about MakerSuite. It went out and it found a video. It found this video, and it grabbed its transcript and it created this video, the outline based on this video. So that part is extremely impressive, right? Because remember, we went over here and we did not put the video in here of what we're looking for. Now, this generated photos right here, this is the actual URL. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that in right there. This is wrong. It's actually Writer, this site right here. It's writer.me, I believe. So this is the site that he's talking about, but it's pronounced Writer, so W-R-I-T-E, right? So this is where we would want to go and fix this. I'm going to put a dash and go like that, and then I'm going to fix this part right here. So this is where you make sure that you fix and double check what it's doing. But then we have Play.ht. If we go back over to the video over here and I play, and let me just put this on mute real quick. And I'm showing you how you need to do this in your research. You can't just let a tool do everything for you. He'll be showing how to use the tool. And then there you go. Right here, guys, it found this video. In its research, it found the most popular video for this exact keyword that we put in the title. And that's why the title's so important. And then check it out. It found this video, it got the transcript, and it did get most of it right. But you want to make sure that you provide more. Play.ht is Play.ht. So I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to go right here and do a dash. And I'm going to say Play.ht. that's the website, right? And then we have InVideo and we have Grammarly. So those are very common. I just want to go and double check if that's what he was actually getting at to make sure that those ones are the ones that he is recommending. Most profitable payouts, InVideo is right there. And then does he have Grammarly? Yes. So you guys can see right there what this software actually did. It went out and automatically found that video. The video that I got the title from in 1 of 10, it found that video and grabbed the whole transcript and then it made an outline based on it. So that's actually very impressive, super cool. But like I said, if it's technical, like these are technical sites in nature, it's not just 5 tips to grow your business. I'm sure this software is going to do really well with something like that. But when it is specifically these weirdly spelled branded AI tools and so forth, you're going to want to make sure you go and fix those. And then you have your conclusion right here and then closing. So now I'm going to click the write script button. It's going to go write the script. We'll be back in just a minute. While it's doing that, let's go and show you the analyze a video feature. So we're going to go over here to analyze a video. You can see that it's generating our script right here. I'm going to go get insights from this video. We're going to plug that video in, get insights. When you find a video that you like, oh, I want to make a video like this video, it's going to go out and do more or less the same that we saw earlier in the research. So we have a performance score of 69. It's in green. This one did really well. It got 738,000 views and it only has 189,000 subscribers. So this metric bar right here seems to be pretty accurate in telling you that this video popped off. We have related videos right over here. That seems to be the same guy and he has multiple channels right here. And you can see other ideas and so forth, right? But we have the description. And remember, and you heard that noise just now, that means that our script is done. It just made a noise and it alerts you that our script is done. But let's finish right over here. So we have those videos and then we have some basic information that tells us if this performed well. It did. If we wanted to go to the advanced insights, that's when we'll click on the advanced web insights. But remember, this is going to take a minute. And then it's going to provide us with the script, the outline, all those things that we can go and reverse engineer this, right? We could take the outline and say, hey, make a similar outline to this and then write this, even in ChatGPT if we wanted to. So it's going to create a similar video, right? So that's what the outlines do. I'm going to go ahead and skip through. We'll go look at the script now. So the script finished automatically right there. Boom. We have status to do, in progress. And so we can flip this to in progress right here. That's cool. We have a status bar. I love that. Now we can go and view this project over here. Remember when I told you this was going to be a 30-minute video, I knew it, right? This is just too advanced of a tool to just come in here and make a fluffy, condensed 8-minute video for you. I hate those types of software reviews. They do me no good. Unsure where to begin, proceed, discard. I'm going to just discard that. So we have our talking points over here and we have 5 AI robots, generated photos, writer, play, boom. And we have our words at 625. So we obviously would need more words in this if we want this video to be more, but I'm going to go ahead and pause and just look at it real quick. Okay, so after a quick read, this is really good. It's just as good as you're going to get in ChatGPT, only it's all seamlessly connected inside of here. So it's really good. You would need to decide how you're going to create your video in this case. Like we maybe open up InVideo and get some footage, get maybe about a minute worth of footage. So really, if you have a video editor or you're going to do this yourself, you just go into each one of these tools and get about a minute's worth of footage that you can put together while creating your video editing. That would be helpful. And then we have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So it did end with kind of a conclusion, 6 minutes. I mean, this is going to end up being about a 3-minute video. So it's just not quite long enough. What I probably would do now is I would go with 10 AI robots. If it's not going to go into depth right here into each one, then maybe we would know that listicles 10 will generally get us higher word counts. Also, what I would do is I would probably always select the biggest script because that seems to be what maybe we would have got 800 or 900 words out of it. And that's still not going to be an 8-minute video. So I think that part needs refined a little bit more. The length did not match what I selected and we want a little bit longer. Because it said 7 minutes, right? So 600 words is only going to be like 3 minutes worth, 3 or 4 minutes worth. We're still pretty far off, but overall, I think it did really well with talking about Grammarly, talking about InVideo and making it in a YouTube script type way in an engaging way and so forth, like we're talking to an audience, right? So overall, I think this is pretty good. It does show right here, create a longer and better intro and hook for this script. And I'm going to just say generate, and let's just see what it comes up with for us. So on the right-hand side, you'll see this is where it's doing this. The videos are superheroes of content creation, capturing audience attention and driving engagement like no other medium. But how can you effortlessly transform? So it literally just gave us a bunch more. And it says we can insert it below, but I want to go like this, and I want to actually see what the counter is on this. So we already have 240 words. I'm going to copy this. And then this would be, we would come up here, hey there, digital enthusiasts. I'm going to take that away, and we're going to exit out of this. And then you can see 625 words. And this is where we would just come in here. I like that we can do full video script editing in here. And I would just go like that. And then now we have 800 words, right? So that's really all you need to do. And this is the most important part of your whole video, is this hook, making it engaging, making your graphics and all these things really cool in your video. And then if people are very interested and there's some really good visual appeal and good words and so forth, right? A good script, then people will stick around and actually learn about robot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and et cetera, et cetera. So overall, I think this is super, super cool, and it's only going to get better. Okay. So I'm just going to save the project. And believe it or not, I think I'm going to actually be using this, and even using 11 Labs, where I've professionally cloned my voice and actually build because these videos do well, these listicles, right? They do well. So I'm going to go and see if I can get this video created. I'm not sure if I'm going to use my 11 Labs voice or if I should just go and record the script myself, but then I'll send this off to my video editor and he'll create this entire video for me. Really cool stuff. I'm going to try to use Taja on this video so that I can get the timestamps for you guys, because this is such a long video. The videos that are over 30 minutes long, or even tapping into 40 minutes, I want to try to get the timestamps for you guys so you can skip through. So right now I'm going to do a conclusion and my final thoughts of MakerSuite. This is very impressive. This is definitely something that if you're a YouTuber, this is going to be very interesting to you, right? So I saved my project. This is going to be something that I think it is high quality. We can go and just write our scripts, jump right in. If you're doing your title research, we can just go right into scripting. If you want to do your research over here, or you just want to go and analyze some of the channels that you already follow, you want to go and be like, oh, why did this video pop off? Let's get some more quick stats on that. That's where the analyze a video section will come in. But I think the most important or the most impressive parts were the research topic. I really liked how you can go dive in, and I liked the bubble. That's one thing I forgot to. Let's go and view this project, and let's go see if I can come back to, here we go. There's the publishing ideas right over here, where we have the generated description. So here's a description with some hashtags in it and so forth. And then also we have the robots, or we have the generated tags over here. That's super cool. But I was trying to get to the point where it was the exploration part. Oh, you click on projects, explorations, and generated ideas. Okay, cool. So I want to go over to explorations. When we went to make money with AI, and we go and review this report, this was probably one of my favorite parts of the software, is that we were able to come through here. And when we got down here, find topics for exploration, we know that make money online strategies is huge. We can go and start looking at the different topics inside of here, side hustle ideas for high income, right? So we can start getting some good ideas and do topic research. They're like print on demand tutorials, right? So these are high level, still pretty high level, but then you can click on one of these if you're interested in it. Make money on YouTube without making videos. If you click on that, now it's going to go and tell us the quality score, the relevance score, and give us more information. We can go look at some latest videos, who's creating content, the channels, and who's creating content in that niche and so forth, right? I really like the just research feature of this, because now you can come in here and start looking at all these and so forth. So I like that you can do topic research and perhaps find a niche that is underserved or something that you haven't thought of inside of your niche. So I really like that the research function, I think that's one of the reasons to pick the tool up. I also, of course, I like the analyze a video. That's pretty cool. You can analyze a video one at a time. But the other part is that I think that the script, the fact that you can still write using AI inside the script generator, I like that the most impressive part probably was that it went out and it actually found the video that I found over here in 1 of 10. We found this video right here that popped off 16 times bigger than his subs to views ratio, right? And so this video we already know popped off and went viral. And then I took this video I didn't do anything with the video. I just took the title. It's a really cool process that I might have even just created that no one's doing. And then I went in here to MakerSuite, and that's when I went in and said, hey, build me I created a project. Let's go create a script based on that. And then the most impressive part was that MakerSuite went to the internet, went to YouTube and found the most popular video for that topic. And then it went and generated a script based on, and it was very accurate, but we just needed to go and check our spellings on things, right? Like writer, instead of being spelled R-Y-T-R, it was spelled writer, R-W-R-I-T-E-R, right? And so it's very impressive that it went and found that video and then created a script based on it. Now, what I would do is I would actually change this and say 7 or 8 or 10. So that way you're not completely in here. We could go into the project and then we could go into the script. And then now right over here, what you could do is you could go 5. So then you would go next tool, and then you could put right in here. Maybe it's Surfer SEO, right? And then maybe that is what are these? They highlight in tier 2. So that's a T2 heading right there, right? And then we go and then we can say, hey, give me write about this. So you can use this tool and create some really good scripts. So overall, those are my favorite features, is the research function and then the brilliance of it finding real video on the topic that is viral and then create its script around that. The only kind of issue, really the only thing that's going to be really copying is just the idea of the robots are the same, but all the rest of the script is not copying from the script. It's recreating the script for us. So overall, super cool. I would definitely go pick this up if you are a YouTuber or plan on implementing YouTube in your business. This is definitely a really cool software. I would have no problem recommending license tier 2, license tier 3 with MakerSuite. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this massively in-depth review. I know it was super long, but if you stick around for as long as this video, it will truly help you determine if this was the right tool for you. And that's why I had to dive deep into this. And that's why the video is long. I know most of you that are still watching my videos after a few years since I created the channel, and you guys know I do these in-depth reviews. You guys have given me good feedback on them and you like the in-depth reviews. I'm going to keep delivering these. I don't intentionally try to make these long, but with a software like this that I'm very knowledgeable about, YouTube, and it has all these features, it's just going to take a long time to review. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. The link will be below, and I would definitely recommend picking this tool up. I'm pretty impressed with this tool. All right, we will see you in the next video.